Did you seriously just yell? I didn't even walk away yet. I thought we were good. So are we good? Whoa. Your feathers are really ruffled today. Can you explain why? Would you like to take a brisk walk? Would that tickle your fancy? Possibly? Okay, it all depends on her reaction. As long as you're nice, I will unlatch all three, okay? No kung fu birdie? Be nice, okay? Okay. We're not off to a good start. We really are not off to a good start. I don't like the way you're walking at me. Again, sir. You have an audience. Big Bird. Alrighty then. Cut. Okay, right. No, we continued the video. I didn't cut it. We're good, right? Okay, good.